Welcome to TechMan Live. Today we're diving into an important topic, how to keep your kidneys healthy. You know, most people don't think about their kidneys until something goes wrong, but trust me, these bean-shaped organs are absolute rock stars. They work tirelessly behind the scenes, filtering your blood, removing waste products, and keeping your whole system in check. Think of your kidneys like the unsung heroes of your body, quietly doing their job day in and day out. But just like any hard worker, they need a little TLC to stay in tip-top shape. That's what we're here to talk about today. We're going to break down 6 simple yet powerful ways you can show your kidneys some love and keep them functioning at their best. So whether you're a health nut or just starting to pay attention to your well-being, stick around because these tips are for everyone. All right, let's kick things off with the most essential tip for kidney health: drinking enough water. It's something we often overlook, but it's incredibly important. You've probably heard it a million times, but staying hydrated is crucial, especially for your kidneys. They rely on water to function properly and to help filter out waste. Think of water as the ultimate kidney cleanser. It helps to keep everything running smoothly. When you drink enough water, it's like giving your kidneys a refreshing internal shower. This helps them to flush out all the toxins and waste products that build up in your system. Water helps flush out all the toxins and waste products that build up in your system. This is essential for maintaining good kidney health. Without enough water, those toxins can start to accumulate, putting extra stress on your kidneys. This can lead to a variety of health issues over time. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How much water is enough? It's a common question, and the answer can vary. Well, a good rule of thumb is to aim for 8 glasses a day. This is a general guideline and can be adjusted based on individual needs. But listen to your body. You might need more or less depending on your activity level, the climate you live in, and other factors. For instance, if you're exercising a lot or it's a hot day, you'll need more water. A good way to tell if you're adequately hydrated is to check the color of your urine. This is a simple and effective method. Ideally, it should be a pale yellow color. This indicates that you're drinking enough water. If it's dark yellow, it's a sign you need to up your water intake. Dark urine can be a warning sign that your body is dehydrated. And remember, water isn't the only way to stay hydrated. There are other sources of hydration that can be just as effective. Fruits and vegetables like watermelon, cucumber, and spinach are also packed with water content. Including these in your diet can help you stay hydrated, so make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you throughout the day and take regular sips. This can make a big difference in your overall hydration levels. Trust me, your kidneys will thank you for it. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support your kidney health. So keep that water bottle handy and drink up. Now, let's talk about what you put on your plate, because what you eat plays a huge role in your kidney health. The foods you choose can either support your kidneys or put extra strain on them, so it's crucial to make informed choices. Just like any other organ, your kidneys thrive on a balanced and nutritious diet. They filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, and to do this effectively, they need the right fuel. So what does a kidney-friendly diet look like? It's all about incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods that support overall health. First and foremost, load up on fresh fruits and vegetables. These are the cornerstone of a healthy diet and are particularly beneficial for your kidneys. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients that support overall health, including kidney function. They help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can be harmful to your kidneys. Aim for a rainbow of colors on your plate. Think berries, leafy greens, bell peppers, and citrus fruits. Each color represents different nutrients that your body needs. Next, choose whole grains over refined grains. Whole grains are less processed and retain more of their natural nutrients. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are rich in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and blood pressure, both of which are important for kidney health. Fiber also aids in digestion and can help you feel full longer. Now let's talk about what to limit. It's just as important to know what to avoid as it is to know what to include. Processed foods, fast food, and sugary drinks are the enemies of good kidney health. These foods can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and diabetes, all of which can harm your kidneys. These foods are often high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and added sugars, which can put a strain on your kidneys over time. Always check the nutritional labels and be aware of what you're consuming. And speaking of sodium, it's important to keep your salt intake in check. Excessive sodium can lead to high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for kidney disease. Too much salt can raise your blood pressure, which can damage your kidneys. High blood pressure makes your heart work harder and can damage blood vessels in the kidneys. So, be mindful of your salt intake and try to flavor your food with herbs and spices instead. Herbs and spices not only add flavor, but also come with their own health benefits. Remember, a healthy diet isn't about deprivation, it's about making smart choices that nourish your body. It's about finding a balance that works for you and supports your overall well-being. By fueling your body with nutrient-rich foods, you're giving your kidneys the support they need to function at their best. A well-balanced diet can make a significant difference in your kidney health and overall quality of life. All right, let's get physical. It's time to talk about how exercise can be a game changer for your kidneys. We're diving into the world of exercise and its incredible benefits for your kidneys. Now, you don't have to become a marathon runner overnight, but incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can make a world of difference. Even small steps can lead to big changes. Exercise is like a magic potion for your entire body, including your kidneys. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and staying healthy. When you move your body, you improve blood circulation, which helps your kidneys filter waste products more efficiently. Better circulation means your kidneys can do their job more effectively. Regular physical activity also helps you maintain a healthy weight. Keeping those extra pounds off is crucial for kidney health. Obesity is a major risk factor for kidney disease, so staying active can significantly reduce your risk. It's all about balance and making healthier choices. Plus, exercise helps lower blood pressure and reduce stress, both of which are essential for kidney health. A calm mind and a healthy body go hand in hand. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in your kidneys, while stress can release hormones that constrict blood vessels and reduce blood flow to your kidneys. Managing these factors is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Consistency is more important than intensity. This could be anything from brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, or dancing. The options are endless, so find what works best for you. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore, and remember, every little bit counts. Even small amounts of physical activity can add up over time. Even if you can't squeeze in a full 30-minute workout, taking short walks throughout the day or incorporating more movement into your daily life can make a difference. Every step you take is a step towards healthier kidneys. Let's talk about something really important: painkillers. Now, I'm not saying you should suffer in silence if you're in pain, but it's crucial to be mindful of how often you reach for over-the-counter pain relievers. While these medications can be helpful for short-term pain relief, overuse can potentially harm your kidneys. That's because some pain relievers, especially NSAIDs like ibuprofen and naproxen, can reduce blood flow to the kidneys if taken too frequently. Now, I know it's tempting to pop a pill at the slightest discomfort, but it's essential to explore other pain management options first, like applying heat or ice, gentle stretching, or over-the-counter pain relief creams. If you do need to take over-the-counter pain relievers, always follow the recommended dosage and duration on the label. And if you have any underlying health conditions, especially kidney problems, talk to your doctor before taking any new medications, including over-the-counter ones. Remember, your kidneys work hard to filter your blood and remove waste products, and overloading them with medications can put extra stress on them. So be kind to your kidneys and use painkillers responsibly. Let's talk about a silent threat to your kidneys: high blood pressure. You see, high blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it often has no symptoms, but it can wreak havoc on your body, especially your kidneys. Think of your blood vessels as a network of highways, and your blood as the traffic flowing through them. When your blood pressure is high, it's like having constant heavy traffic on those highways, putting a strain on the walls of your blood vessels, including those in your kidneys. Over time, this constant pressure can damage the delicate filtering units in your kidneys, leading to kidney disease. That's why it's crucial to keep your blood pressure in check. The good news is that there are plenty of things you can do to manage your blood pressure, like eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, and managing stress. If you're diagnosed with high blood pressure, your doctor might prescribe medications to help lower it. It's important to take these medications as directed and to monitor your blood pressure regularly. We've covered a lot of ground today, but here's the final and arguably most important tip: get regular kidney function tests. Just like you schedule regular checkups with your doctor for your overall health, it's crucial to prioritize your kidney health as well. Think of it like this: prevention is always better than cure. Early detection of any kidney issues can make a world of difference in terms of treatment options and outcomes. Now you might be wondering, how often should I get my kidneys checked? Well, that depends on a few factors, including your age, overall health, and any risk factors you might have. If you're generally healthy and don't have any risk factors for kidney disease, it's a good idea to get your kidney function checked at least once every 2 years. This usually involves a simple blood test and a urine test. However, if you have any risk factors for kidney disease, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, a family history of kidney disease, or if you're over the age of 60, it's essential to get your kidneys checked more frequently. Talk to your doctor about how often you should get your kidneys checked based on your individual health status and risk factors. So there you have it. 6 simple yet powerful ways to keep your kidneys healthy and happy. Remember, your kidneys are amazing organs that work tirelessly to keep you healthy, so it's essential to show them some love. By incorporating these tips into your daily life, you're taking proactive steps towards protecting your kidney health and ensuring they continue to function at their best for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Take care of your kidneys, and they'll take care of you.